We're now going to look at the example in lesson 28. This is similar to lesson 27, the exercise and the example that you did there. However, we're going to also focus on the part that you save and the part that you spend compared to the percent that you save and the percent that you spend. So it's really important that you focus on what the percents and the parts mean in this example. First question, if an item is discounted at 20%, the sale price is what percent of the original price? Well, you know that the whole percent, if you had to pay the whole price, you would pay 100%. There would be no discount. The discount is what you are saving. That's the part that you're saving. The percent that you're saving is 20%. If you subtract those two, you get 80%. And that 80% represents the percent that you're going to pay. That would match with the part that you're going to pay. You would save 20%, but pay 80%. And that's good for you as the consumer because you're not paying as much as the whole price of 100%. Now it says if the original price of the item is $400, what is the dollar amount of the discount? Here's where you have to pay close attention. We're going to be using part over whole equals percent over 100. If I'm going to fill in my parts of my ratios, I know the original represents the whole. I'm going to put that down at the bottom. We're finding a dollar amount, so we're finding the part. We're finding the dollar amount of the discount, so we're finding what we are saving, how much money we're saving. That must go with the percent that we're saving. And that percent is 20, which always goes over 100. If I cross multiply and divide that, I get 400 times 20, which is 8,000. Divide that by 100, and you get 80. So the discount is 80. That means you're saving $80. You're not paying $80. You're saving $80 on that $400 item. That's how much you save. But I want to know how much is the sale price. That's what you're going to pay. Now there's a couple different ways to solve this. The first way I'm going to use our part over whole equals percent over 100. And I'm going to fill in the parts again. I'm finding this time the part that I pay. The original price was $400. Since I'm paying this part, I need the percent that I'm going to pay. And from earlier, we figured that we had 80% that we're paying. Paying 80%. So that's why I put that percent in there, not the 20. 80 times 400, if I cross multiply, I get 32,000. And then when I divide by 100, I get 320. So what you're actually paying, the price you pay, is $320. Now that's one way. Another way you could do is you think about that we already figured out over here that the discount, the part that you saved, was $80. If the original price is $400, you're going to save $80. You're going to take that away or take that off the original price. And when you subtract them, you get $320. So the whole price, the original price, this was how much you save. This is what you're going to pay. Either method would work fine. Notice we're getting $320.